Do you know what is the number one challenge for the students in the IGCSE English exam? It's not grammar, it's not vocabulary, it's understanding the text in depth and answering smartly. Today, through this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through exercise number 2 of paper 1, reading and writing. So, by the end of this video, you will know exactly what is being tested, how the marks are awarded, and the strategies you need to follow to score full marks. Exercise number 2 focuses on your reading comprehension skills. The examiners want to know, can you understand details? Can you identify key information? Can you follow connections between ideas and even pick up on the hidden meanings? That's why this task is built around the four key objectives. Number one, understanding specific factual information. Number two, making sense of links between ideas, opinions, and attitudes. Number three, selecting the right details for a purpose. Number four, catching implied meanings, the things not directly stated but suggested. Sounds simple. Well, let's see how it works. In this task, you will be given either one longer text or up to 5 short related texts. These could be the articles, blogs, or the website extracts, real world materials that reflect everyday English. You will then face 9 questions, each worth 1 mark. That means the total is 9 marks. The beauty of this exercise, what is it? Every single question carries equal weight. So one slip won't ruin your grade, but it will help you to step towards A or A star. This isn't just about passing the exam. It's about preparing for the real world, whether it's reading an online article, checking a blog post, or understanding a web post. Exercise number 2 trains you to quickly understand different styles of writing and spot useful information. It's practical English as its best. So, how do you maximize your marks? Here are some proven strategies. Practice reading regularly. This will help you to build speed and accuracy. Understand or know the question type, which will help you to understand what each question is really asking. Taking notes. Jot down the key details while you are reading. Managing your time. You don't need to get stuck. You don't need to move quickly and efficiently, but you need to come up with a wise strategy to manage your time. Of course, students face 3 common problems. Number 1, misunderstanding tricky wordings. Number 2, running out of the time. Number 3, struggling with unfamiliar text types. But with regular practice, awareness of these pitfalls and smart strategies are going to help you to avoid them. So here you have it. Exercise number 2 decoded. Remember, 9 questions, 9 marks, and unlimited chance to prove your reading skills. Practice smart, stay confident, and you will find this section not just manageable, but actually enjoyable. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IGCSE success tips. And in the next video, I'll show you how to tackle exercise number 3 like a pro. Stay tuned.